If the rain that touches your skin traveled miles to find you, then nothing meant for you is lost, delayed, or confused about where you are. Before it fell, it was already forming, gathering quietly, carried by winds you couldn't see, shaped by seasons you didn't control. In the same way, the things meant for you are assembling long before you recognize them. They move through other people's choices, through detours and silences, through moments that feel like nothing is happening, but something is always happening. What's meant for you doesn't rush, yet it never forgets. It may circle the world before it arrives, but it arrives with purpose, soft or heavy, gentle or transformative, exactly as you need it. Sometimes it comes as a blessing, sometimes as disruption, sometimes as a lesson that waters part of you didn't know were dry. So, when the waiting feels long, remember, even the rain waits in the sky. And when it finally falls, it doesn't ask permission. It simply lands where it was always meant to land. Stand where you are. Be present in your becoming. What is meant for you will find you every time.